What was your biggest challenge before starting the program?
I think my biggest challenge just with starting to learn about crypto and decentralized finance was knowing what it is and knowing what a good crypto is and what one isn't. And I didn't even have an idea about liquidity pools and decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges and things like that. So just not knowing what the lay of the land was one of my biggest problems.
Has the program taught you how to create passive income?
Yes, it has given me some good ideas for exploring the liquidity pool programs that are out there and staking, the different ideas about staking. So I'm interested in these farming projects.
What successes have you had?
Mine are a little bit minor. I had messed myself up with a centralized exchange. So when three of you guys joined on the call to help me out of what I was really fearful about losing most or all of my account, when my centralized exchange was closing to do business in America, or to U.S. citizens, I was panicked about that and started moving things out. So that has been my biggest success of salvaging my portfolio and then learning about how to deploy it properly. Yeah, and then I'm excited about now that I've gotten positioned with you guys, taking some positions. I had some good positions, but I needed to keep them if I was going to lose my portfolio. But I've cut some positions, gotten into some other newer positions, and just the holding is a way that I've seen some success right now. And with the starting of the bull market, I'm excited about what we're going to see the rest of this month, the rest of this year, and into next year.
Having completed this mastermind, do you feel DeFi is the future?
Well, I think DeFi is really important for our freedom. When we have central bank digital currencies threatening to come out and the preparation in the United States economy for central bank digital currencies to be initiated at the flip of a switch, so to speak, that is very scary. And I think people need to know about that. But I think the decentralized finance idea is something that can maintain our freedom and help educate us about freedom in general. And instead of having more tyranny, we can actually turn the hand of that tyranny into much more freedom around the world, not just here. But we need to return that. So that's what I'm excited about with projects that I'm working on. And then I was really excited about that when I heard Tan's YouTube and the commercial there, or the infomercial, about how you guys are putting together a program to have like-minded individuals come together and build our power, basically. We do need to be together, but decentralized. So that's what I'm excited about.
Would you recommend this program?
Yes, I have recommended this program to a couple other friends. One friend said, "Oh, I'm into real estate. I'm going to stick with what I know." Maybe that'll be an ongoing conversation. Maybe he'll come around and diversify into that, into this. And especially as I organize my thoughts around the crypto and decentralized finance being an element of maintaining or reclaiming our freedom. And as I spread that message, I think that there will be some people that are interested in learning more about it and delving into it.